Hello, in front of me I've got Nintendo Switch Wireless HORIPAD. In this video I'll show you how to pair it with Nintendo Switch. In the beginning, turn on the Nintendo Switch, and now on your controller press and hold this button. 2 seconds should be enough to enter pairing mode. Now on the Switch, let's go to Settings, Controllers and Sensors and change controller grip order. Press and hold L and R on the controller and it's done. Your controller is now connected. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.